afraid that you're gonna be stuck in the same old place. Seasons always change. There's a time and place for everything. It's always a surprise. You can make your plans and call your shots and draw the safety lines. But in the end, best you can do is hold on tight while the wind blows through, and trust that God who loves you has got you in